And as the country battles the war against COVID-19, a local veterans group wants to make sure that heroes are getting the help that they need. Calls into the VA crisis hotline are now spiking. But as KCTV5's Leslie Aguilar reports, it's not just the veterans that this group is looking out for.
Right now, the Battle Within is extending their telecounseling services to first responders and healthcare workers on the front lines of the COVID-19 pandemic. Healthcare workers are literally at war with the virus and will therefore be feeling a lot of the same emotions as veterans who have served our country. Army veteran Justin Hoover knows firsthand that battles fought overseas can continue inside soldiers when they come home. That's why he started the Battle Within.
We have a 5-day retreat where we serve those that have traumatic injuries from their service and serving their nation or their communities. And with COVID-19, we really had to change things up. We had to postpone our March and April class, and the questions that we got from people were, well, what do I do?
The group has recruited licensed therapists from all over the metro to provide telecounseling to veterans, first responders, and healthcare workers.
They really are heroes, absolutely 100%.
Adam Majors is one of the clinicians offering telecounseling. He's also a veteran, a former Army medic actually. He knows what it's like to be overwhelmed with more patients than there are resources and supplies to care for.
Thinking about what I didn't have when I was in the Battle of Sutter City, and how if I could provide for people what I didn't have in some of my worst moments, that would be something worth doing.
Majors and Hoover believe the medical community is going to accumulate a lot of trauma as intensive care units start to fill up.
It's going to feel a little bit like war, because not only do you have all these people who are suffering and dying, and it's really unpleasant to even be in that situation and to be so, hopeless in a sense, but also to not have all the resources you need and to be at risk yourself.
We're all feeling a little isolated during this time of social distancing. It's important not to isolate your emotions, especially so for those on the front lines battling the virus.
You've got to take care of yourself if you want to be able to be there for all the other people in your life. So make sure you're taking care of yourself.
Getting that help sooner rather than later, it just makes such a big difference on your life, and really there's no reason why you shouldn't.
We'll post a link where you can request a session or find out how to help the Battle Within on our website, kctv5.com. Reporting from the Liberty Memorial, Leslie Aguilar, KCTV5 News.